1. Stop at the Old Telephone Exchange, 743 Washington. This lovely building is now the East-West Bank, but it started out as the Chinese Telephone Exchange. Callers often asked for people by name only, thinking it rude to refer to a person by using a number, so the operators working here had to know each subscriber by name. With many subscribers having the same name, they also had to know everyone's address and occupation. And they had to speak not only English but also 5 Chinese dialects. Today's building was rebuilt after the 1906 earthquake and fire. 2. Walking. At Grant Avenue, turn right, or take a shortcut through Wentworth Place to Washington Street. 3. Chinatown Restaurant Row. Between Grant and Kearny Street on Washington are some of the best rated restaurants in Chinatown. 4. Walking. After looking around or having a bite to eat, return to Grant Avenue. This route bypasses one of Chinatown's best rated tea shops, Red Blossom. If you want to stop in, turn left on Grant to get there. Otherwise, turn right at Grant and continue. 5. To buy a unique souvenir, talk to the folks outside the door at 924 Grant or enter through the nondescript lobby and you'll find a place to get one of Chinatown's most unusual souvenirs, a custom-made, carved stone stamp from Rainbow Sign and Art. 6. Be prepared for game birds. In the block between Pacific and Broadway on the right side of the street is a small shop called Ming Kee Game Birds. They sell birds used in Chinese cuisine, including a blue-skinned chicken. FYI, several years ago, a lot of controversy arose over Chinatown shops selling live poultry and shop owners are still sensitive to gawkers and photographers. 7. Stop at the Chinatown mural. At the corner of Columbus Avenue and Broadway where Chinatown meets North Beach, you'll find a mural on the corner building. One side commemorates North Beach's Italian roots. The side facing Broadway is dedicated to San Francisco's Chinese heritage. 8. Walking. At Broadway, turn left. At Stockton, cross the street and turn left again, walking along Stockton.